So we've got, where did the baby go? Right where? Oh yeah, there's a baby bird right here on the ground. It's a fledgling. And so he's not very good at flying yet. And the mom, oh yep, there went the mom. The mom is trying to teach it to fly. Where'd the baby go?
Right there.
Oh, yep, there it is. The baby can't fly. Oh, there's the mama. Good job, mama. The mama's keeping a close eye on it. It's so cool. No, stay back here. We don't want to bother him. Oh yeah, we gotta watch out for Oreo, huh? But that mama is protecting that baby good. Good job, mama bird.
Wait, what would happen if if cat comes? Will she just grab the baby and fly away?
No, the mom would try and attack the cat.
Oh.
To try and get the cat to leave it alone. Oh, it's flying a little bit. Good job, little baby. Yeah, he flew up to the tree. Good job, little baby.
I'm going now.
Okay. Oh, he's in the tree. Oh, very good. The baby, he's in the tree now. Good job, baby. Good job, mama. Good mama. Yeah, we can go inside. Baby's gonna be okay. That's cool though. Grayson, did you go poop in the potty? Wow, big boy. You're gonna get candy now because you went potty. Good job. I'm so proud of you. Our diaper days are almost over. Can't believe it. Hey, pick out a candy, okay? You find it? Good job. You're doing so good. Oh, Rosie. Get another one. Okay, can you see if he ate good? Dog. Good, turn it. Keep turning. You can do it. There. You're doing great. You did that whole thing by yourself so far. Get another. Yeah, look at you. And there's Kason. Nice work. You're so smart. Smart pants.
Daddy, we have candy. We have candy. Daddy. Daddy, we have candy.
Yeah, you're doing it. Nice work, buddy. Nice. And here's poor Daxton. Daxton had some shots and I think he's not feeling the best. I think he's tired. Yeah, you cried and you were sad that you got shots.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The doctor got me shots.
Doctor gave you a shot, huh? Right there in your leg. And you got Band-Aid. Band-Aid right there. Okay. Good job with that puzzle, buddy. You smarty pants. Yeah, you did that one too?
Yeah, I did that one too.
Okay.
Where'd that go?
You can find it. You're smart. You can do it.
Where'd that go?
That's Kason. So silly.
I'm able. Where'd that go?
You can find it. Look. Find the yellow. Oh, see? You did it, smarty pants.
Yo, this.
Hey.
Daddy, it's the store that works.
Yeah.
Where do you find it? I have superpowers. Why is it? Hide me. Wow, what? Where is it? I think that's look. What is it? What is it?
Good job. Look at the cool storm. Look at the cool storm. There's hail. I'm very windy.
Big pieces out here.
Yeah, it's like popcorn in the yard.
Oh, I see a big.
I love me a good thunderstorm.
I like this. I like I see a
Our
big
yard's
one.
getting flooded too. Guess I won't have to water the grass tomorrow, huh?
There's a big piece right next to my foot.
There's a big piece over there. Oh, that is a big piece. Maybe I should go get it.
Yes, go get it.
Okay, you go get it really quick. Go get it. Go get that big piece. Get it quick. Okay, come back in. Wow, show me how big it is. Oh my goodness, look at the size of that.
I did it by myself.
You did. Let me see. Open your hand. Go show it to Daddy. Daddy, look what he got. You want to get a piece? We'll get a piece. You find one? Ooh, it's cold too. You find one? Go look under your chair. Under the blue chair. Go get one? Rosie, you don't want to go out in that. Oh, it's so cold. All right, you get one? Okay, come on in.
Can I get one?
You want to get one? Okay, go get one. Hurry up, it's cold. Did you find one? Okay, come inside then. Don't stand with the door open, come inside.
Got it.
Okay, let me see yours.
It's about to melt.
Yours is the little one.
Yeah, I couldn't find a big one. I have to go way out there to get a big one.
Yeah. Jackson found a good one, didn't he?
Yeah, I was like bugged right by the door.
Cool. Storm. I love storms.
Mommy,
It smells so good. I don't have to water the grass. Our grass looks pretty.
I'm eating it.
You're eating the hail? Well, okay.
I ate it. I ate
You weirdo.
it. I ate it.
Oh, you could say the backyard flooded a little. And we forgot to move the grill, so the grill got a bath too. Everything's pretty soaked.
Mama, I like it.
Oh, and it's cold too, brr.
No, it's not.
Aren't you guys cold? We should have come out here. Bet we could have found some good hail out here.
Yeah.
Don't get muddy, you guys. It's almost bedtime.
Seriously, look at flooded like this. Yeah, it looks like glue's almost gone. Yeah, it was flooded.
Oh, that's cold water. Oh my goodness, that's cold water. It got in my shoe.
Oh, hey, Bubba.
Jumping up and down in muddy puddle. Splish, splash, splash, splish, splash. So apparently, the hail got on our trampoline. Kason, show us all this hail. Well, that's what it looks like when there's hail on a trampoline.
Mommy, guess what? Mommy, it's like a
And
whole
some
bunch
leaves
of
too.
Mommy,
A whole bunch of sprinklers.
it's like a whole bunch of sprinklers under the drip.
We might have to sweep off those leaves later. You want to jump really high?
Yeah.
You want to get up there? Look at that piece. That's a good piece.
Hey, Mommy, guess what?
What?
What if, how if this hit Wobbly?
What's for bedtime? Just getting ready to get them ready for bedtime.
No, look who you also have.
Oh dear, they're in the alley, which is muddy. You want to go on the trampoline?
Oh, Mommy! Victory! I caught
Did you
it.
catch one?
Yep.
That's funny, while you're jumping. storm is mostly over.
Hey, Mom, I caught a leaf. Mom, look, I caught a leaf.
You want to
Mommy,
go up
look, I
there?
caught a leaf.
Okay.